Hello, Art One. Okay, this is one of your assignments today, and it's to prepare you for your pop art project. And you're gonna have to do a good amount of drawing. You're going to have your reference picture that kind of looks something like this, where your animal is broken down into some flattened shapes, and it's broken down into 5 values. It might be a little hard to see on screen, and the copy machine does its best, but you can see it goes from value the lightest to the darkest of 1, 2, a little darker 3, a little darker 4, and then to black 5. And it's going to be your job to draw this correctly. You have to tell your brain not to take over and go, oh, that's an eye, okay, and then draw an eye the way you normally would draw it. Just draw all the lines and shapes that you see square by square. This one's an easy square. Oh, this one's an even easier square right here. So I just see a line that kind of travels down, curves over a little bit. There's a funky little shape right there, but I know I can get that. So go very slowly. And I think I'm already going to be done with this little box right here. And it looks like actually that's like a number 4 or 3 value. There you go. I think if this was a 3, a 4, and a 5. Or this might have all been a 4. Let me look more closely in a second. Anyway, some boxes might get a little complicated for you. Maybe like this box right here, this one here. And if that happens, you can always just kind of cut it down again by putting another cross into it, like that. And then it's not showing that well up on the screen, but that's okay. And then you go to its corresponding box and break it down again like that, just with another little cross. And just remember, you're just breaking things down and drawing them shape by shape in each grid square. And you're just capturing all these little flattened out shapes and all these different pieces of value. And eventually you will do this on your pop art animal, and then you'll paint it in value by value, and it'll be great. And just keep going up. And then this one connects down over there, and that's basically how you do it. Just go square by square. Again, break it down if you need to. Here, it just didn't come up that well, but you could. There you go. Something like that. And then break down the corresponding square. Okay, good luck. Don't forget to write your name on it and finish it today.